You're watching how to connect Instagram to Facebook. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and ensure you are logged into the correct Instagram account. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down within the Settings menu and tap on Account Center. If you haven't set up an account center before, you will be prompted to start. Tap Add Accounts and follow the prompts to log into your Facebook account by entering your Facebook email and password. Once both accounts are added to the Accounts Center, go back to your Instagram profile settings, tap Accounts Center again, then select Profiles. Here you will see both your Instagram and Facebook profiles listed. Tap on your Instagram profile, then select Sharing to Facebook. You will see options to automatically share your Instagram stories and posts to your connected Facebook profile or page. Toggle on the options you want, such as share your story to Facebook or share your posts to Facebook. You can also choose the destination, like your personal Facebook timeline or a specific page you manage. Confirm your choices. Your accounts are now linked, and future Instagram activity can be automatically shared based on your settings. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.